Integrated Topzero sink installation. Topzero sinks can be installed virtually on any kind of countertop materials, including granite, marble, quartz, wood, solid surface, and porcelain. Here are the recommended supplies: 10:1 seaming acrylic adhesive, dispenser gun, safety glasses and mask, variable speed grinder with 120 to 600 grade sandpapers, undermount sink clips, masking tape, denatured alcohol, razor blade, popsicle sticks, terry cloth towel, and spreader clamps. Step 1. Cutting out the sinkhole. Visually check for any defects or damages. Check the continuous mounting flange and the rimless edge of the sink as well as the bowl. Download the electronic cutout drawing files at www.topzero.com for automated sink cutouts. A paper template is included with the actual sink if the sinkhole will be cut manually. The sink cut shall be vertically straight and remain coarse with blade marks. The edges on the surface all around needs to stay sharp without a bevel or an ease. Do not polish the edge until Topzero sink is attached and filled thoroughly. Step 2. Attaching the undermount sink clips. Use undermount sink clips to secure the sink to the countertop. Turn the countertop finished side down. Insert the rimless sink into the sinkhole. Trace the outline of the mounting flange all around the sink. Remove the sink. Undermount sink clips have 3 parts: post, bracket, and wing nut. Make sure bonding surfaces are cleaned with denatured alcohol for proper adhesion. Determine the position of the sink clips just outside the trace line. Attach at least 1 post at each corner of the sinkhole. Attach the post to the countertop with structural acrylic adhesive. Allow adequate time until the adhesive hardens. Step 3. Leveling the rimless edge with the countertop finished side. Turn the countertop finished side up. Insert the sink into the sinkhole. Observe the rimless edge of the sink against the finished side of the countertop. The sink edge shall be dropped 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch lower than the countertop surface, with an approximately 1/16 inch space between the sink and the sinkhole all around. Use the provided stopper screws on the corners of the flange to pull the sink down to its proper location, which is 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch lower than the surface. Remove the sink from the countertop. The stopper screws on the sink flange are now positioned. Step 4. Attaching the sink permanently. Topzero sinks can be installed in the shop or on the job site. Apply masking tape inside the sink all around, leaving approximately 1/16 inch from the sink edge. Clean the edge as well as the flange all around the sink with denatured alcohol. Special order spacers will be needed to attach the sink to the countertop if the thickness of the countertop is 3/4 of an inch or less. Apply a thick continuous bead of structural acrylic adhesive on the sink flange in a zigzag pattern. Apply another continuous line of bead on the sink wall in the middle above the sink flange all around the sink. Insert the sink into the sink hole. Push it until the stopper screws hit the underside of the countertop. Observe the edge of the sink from the finished side of the countertop to make sure the desired drop is met. Insert the brackets into the posts. Tighten and secure them with the wing nuts. Use spreader clamps to narrow the gap between the sink and the sinkhole on the countertop. Place the spreader clamps approximately 1/2 inch below the edge of the sink. Step 5. Seaming the gap between the sink and sinkhole and polishing. Pull out the spreader clamps. Apply masking tape around the sinkhole on the countertop, leaving a 1/16 inch space from the joint. Clean the joint between the sink and the sinkhole on the countertop with denatured alcohol. Fill the gap with countertop color match seaming acrylic adhesive. Push the adhesive into the gap with a popsicle stick. Repeat the process as needed until there is no more sag and the gap is filled thoroughly. Smoothen the fill using the same popsicle stick. Wait until the adhesive is workable. Sand the joint evenly around the sink to smooth out the excessive glue. Polish the joint with variable sandpapers to a smooth integration. Remove the masking tape, clean the edge once again with denatured alcohol, and observe the acrylic seam all around the sink for any voids. Repeat the process to fill the voids and repolish if necessary. Rinse the sink with water and dry with a towel. Installation is now complete.